Hello everyone, we are Group 15. Our topic is analysis of the relationship between mental health and academic stress of Malaysian college students in recent years. Our team member is Xu Ruofei, Li Dongxu, Zhang Kaijie, Chen Yiling, and Zhang Yiyun. The first part is problem statements. Firstly, there is a lack of empirical research on the correlation between mental health problems and academic stress among Malaysian college students. Secondly, the moderating role of demographic factors and the mitigating effect of school support resources still need to be verified. The second part is objectives. This study identifies high-risk groups by quantitatively analyzing the correlation between mental health symptoms and academic performance, and stress indicators explores the moderating effect to demographic factors to formulate precise intervention strategies and verifies the effectiveness of school support resources in alleviating the negative impact of academic stress on mental health.
So for data analysis, we collect data from the cargo, the university student mental health dataset. We do the pre-processing, the timestamp, we do no time series analysis is conducted, and useful components are detected and attractive. For gender, we clean the inconsistencies and invalid entries. For year of study, we standardize the format like year 3 to 3. We convert all to the integer. So for course, we unify various spelling or abbreviation. For timestamp, we convert to datetime format to analysis. So below that you can see the four chart. The first one is the relationship between the gender and depression. And blue is no depression, and the red one is the with depression. So the second chart is the relationship between study years and anxiety. The third chart is the relationship between the CGPA and depression. The fourth chart is the relationship between different subject and the depression. So now is the data statistical insight. So you can see the correlation heat map. The academic performance is mainly determined by the direction of study, which is the 0.93 correlation. So there are almost no linear correlation between mental health problem and the academic indicator. So there was no significant linear association between academic pressure and the mental health either.
Next comes the one-way ANOVA section, mainly to compare whether there are significant differences in the average values of study pressure among students of different courses. Based on the box plot, there are some observable differences in stress levels across different courses. However, the overall distribution appears relatively consistent among the groups. Through one-way analysis of variance, it's known that the p-value is much higher than the commonly used significance level, and we are not rejected the null hypothesis. This indicates that there is no statistically significant difference in the level of study pressure among different courses. The last part is insights. The first one is rethink relationships. Mental health academic link is complex, not linearly direct. The second one is focus on study and holistic support. Emphasize study time for grades, address broader stressors for well-being. The last one is further research. Deeper analysis needed. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.